Did you know you can scroll through any video on YouTube frame by frame? So here I have a video and I'm going to play it, and then I'm going to hit spacebar to pause it. And then to go frame by frame forward, I hit period on my keyboard. And each time you see the frames change a little bit, that's moving forward. So if there's something very specific that I want to see, I just hit that period button to slowly move forward. And now if I want to go backwards, say I missed it, I hit the comma on my keyboard and that will go backwards. So I can really get in there and see what I need to see in slow motion. Excellent. So yeah, I find this very helpful. Please join me for more videos where I problem solve, and I hope that you found this video useful.